Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Today, I am going to talk about the off-campus recruitment drive of Deloitte Hyderabad for 2020. Deloitte is scheduled to hire Technological Support Associate 2020. If you are a BE, BTech, MCA, MA, MSc degree holder, then you may apply for this post. The job location is going to be Hyderabad, India. About the company. Deloitte Toshu Tomatsu Limited, commonly referred to as Deloitte, is a multinational professional service network. Deloitte is one of the big four accounting organizations and the largest professional services network in the world by revenue and number of professionals, with headquarters in London, United Kingdom. The official website of the company is www.deloitte.com. The experience required is nothing as of now. What I mean to say is freshers are welcomed. Talking about the job description, it is to assist Deloitte employees with technology problems over the phone in a timely manner so that they can perform their job and be productive for the firm. It might involve either direct resolution of the problem or escalation to another team, as the case may be. Their customers have a high expectation that they will be able to resolve their issues on the call, but they recognize that there are some issues that can only be resolved by teams outside the call center. The candidate should have excellent knowledge on Microsoft technologies such as Outlook 2016, Office 365, and Office 2016. Working and troubleshooting experience of hybrid environments of on-prem and Exchange Online. Knowledge on Active Directory such as password reset, account management, mailbox, and DL management. Good to have experience in working on MS Teams, OneNote, and OneDrive for business. Knowledge of Windows Azure functionality for mobile device management will be added advantage. Should have knowledge on Microsoft Skype for business technologies to set Skype meeting ad hoc or planned. Exceptional knowledge of performance optimization of Windows laptop, including reconfiguration, maintenance, and/or upgrades. Now here are some of the desired skills. Excellent written, verbal, listening, and analytical skills. Easily grasp and communicate complex ideas. Excellent problem-solving skills. Knowledge of MS Office 2010-2013, including Outlook. Knowledge of computer hardware and software, knowledge of operating systems like Windows 10 and Mac OS, knowledge of network and internet. How are you going to apply for this post? Go and check out the article that I have linked in the description box below. There, you will find the apply link as well as more information. So you may go through the article. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video. If you do so, then please do let us know by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Also, please do follow us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates. The handles of both are provided in the description box below. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.